Hey, this is M7 King here. I got a comment from NASCAR Lover 2424. Basically, you're looking for an iPod Touch, or you're gonna get one on eBay. Um, cool. So, you wanted me to do a couple of things that I know, or what I've learned while using the iPod Touch. I've had mine for a while, so there's definitely some things that I found out that I didn't know before. I'll just show you a quick something that I have actually picked up while, playing with it. You see, I was I don't know what I was doing. I used to type on this thing all the time. Here I was just typing. You could see that there, just typing along. And it does do the autocorrection, but I'm just doing a bunch of letters just to demonstrate. But instead of actually going to the number pad, if you can see that right down here, it's got a one, two, three, and then it gives you a bunch of symbols, and then right there you can see the period. Now, I was always doing that. I was just always hitting that, then hitting the period. But this is what makes it easier. If you're done with your sentence and you're typing something, just hit the space bar twice. Boom, and it's just a period. I mean, that may be really basic, maybe but it's actually a quick way to just insert periods and things like that. So it's a nice little shortcut. I thought it'd be helpful for you. Um, I don't want to turn this into a review of all my apps. I don't want to make it a review of the iPod Touch because I've kind of already done that in a video. If you haven't seen it, I'll just add a link down here somewhere. But here's another thing that after getting the software update, everybody should have this unless you jailbreak your iPod, which I don't, and which I'm not gonna do. Um, it's just one of those things that I don't really like risking. So also, these are all basic things everybody pretty much knows, but since you don't have one, this is what's really cool. It flips automatically to a scientific calculator. So, that's pretty cool. Um, the map feature, this is something that I really didn't know about either. Um, when you're on your map, that's map of my house. Yes, you know what my roof looks like now. There you go. Um, I remember because I used to use the maps to show friends things. So I was, always just dragging, trying to find my house again. But I didn't really know that this right here brings you right back. See? Now you got a bird's eye view. So now all you gotta do is just zoom it in with the pinch feature, and you probably know all about this too. Um, but there it is, right there. Anyways, that's the map feature. Um, Other things are just simple things. This is not hard to use. You pick up one of these and it's so self-explanatory. Like I said, I'll do a review on the iPod Touch because I don't want to turn this into a review. It would just be redundant and a little too long. So um, that's basically all the things that I ended up learning how to do. Um, every time you use this, you're almost learning what to do, and like getting a new app. Um, if you want, I mean, I'll show you right now. Um, First, in order to get the App Store working, you have to have a credit card and you have to set up an account through iTunes. So this is not going to work unless you do that. So just forewarning. Um, Here's the App Store right there. Now this is really hard to do on camera, so if it's not like responding, it's obviously because I'm not doing it right. So I just downloaded Lemonade Tycoon. It's free. That's something else I learned. Um, Basically, you can search, you can do featured, um, categories, top 25, search, and update. So you can search for any app. They have like thousands of apps on this thing. You probably know this. Again, I don't know exactly what you do know or don't know. You said you've been researching a lot of stuff. So there you go. It's the search feature. Let's type in anything. Let's just go games. You can be as general as that, and it'll show you all kinds of different uh, weird games, silly soft games. I mean, some of these I've never even heard of. So, App Store is really, really useful. As you can see, I have a few pages worth of apps. It's really, really cool stuff. So, um, that's basically some of the little things that I've learned how to do. Just from, like I said, playing around with it and getting to know it. Um, Another thing is if you don't know how to shut it off, a lot of people just put it on sleep. They'll push the home button, go back to your home screen, or they'll just right on the top button, they just put it to sleep. That's not actually turning it off because you can just go ahead and hit your home button, and there you go, pops right back up. Hold it down, hold down the top button. I mean, I don't, like I said, I don't exactly know what you know. I'm just doing a brief, basics here, just trying to help you out. Slide to unlock. There you go. And if you ever have a problem with your iPod, you can either connect it up through a USB, and in iTunes, there's a restore function, or a little button you can press to restore to factory settings, or you can hold your home button and the power button until it resets. Um, those are just some key things, and I hope it helped. If you have any other questions, or if anybody has any other questions, let me know. And this is the 16 gigabyte. There you go. This is M7 King, NASCAR Lover 2424. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.